Caribbean hot pot. Prepare the ingredients. Slice 2 garlic cloves, finely dice 1 onion, chop 1 large or 2 small potatoes into bite-sized pieces. Chop 1 orange sweet potato into bite-sized pieces. Chop 1 red capsicum into bite-sized pieces. Shred 1 handful of kale. Chop 1 handful of parsley. Heat a pot on a high heat, add the onion and garlic, add the red capsicum and saute. Add a little stock to deglaze the pan, add the potatoes and sweet potato, add 3 cups of red kidney beans, add half a teaspoon of allspice, add 1.5 cups of fresh coconut milk, add 2 cups of vegetable stock, add 5 sprigs of fresh thyme and stir. Cover with a lid and bring to the boil. And cook until the potatoes are soft. When the potatoes are cooked, add the chopped kale, add the chopped parsley, stir well. Remove the sprig of thyme and serve with brown rice.